here is the review of my custom Titans Return Snapdragon. Now, this is using the Titans Return highbrow mold, but as you can see, he has some new parts added, which is the feet and this whole entire new body with the arms and the head for his beast mode. Now, there is a problem I have with him, and it's something I had to fix, but we're gonna save that for jet mode. Now, he comes with a headmaster here, and his name is Krunk, and he is using the headmaster gator face that came with Croc, and he has the same articulation as Ape Face, as Ape Face's headmaster that I reviewed, which is a ball joint at the head, ball joint at the shoulders, and hinge joints at the legs and the knees. And as for Snapdragon's articulation, his upper body doesn't have any articulation, not even his jaw moves. But his lower body has ball joint at the legs, knee joints, swivel at the knees, and his tail, if you can call it, can move up and down. So, I guess that's about it for Beast Mode. So now to get him into Jet Mode, first what we're going to do is remove the upper body, because we're not going to be using this anymore. And it goes in these holes and these pegs. Now you want to take what will become his legs in robot mode and separate them. And then you want to take his knees and bring them all the way down. And this is where I had a problem with him that I had to fix. And that is, I will have to zoom in. There's supposed to be these tabs here that go onto these grooves here, but I cut them off because I'm worried that if I'm separating his legs and bringing them down when I'm going to robot mode or beast mode, these might snap off. So I just leave them off. And what I do with his knees is I take them and first off, but before you do that, you want to take his legs and extend them down. Now take them and bring them all the way up. And I like to bring them up to about here, so that it's like this. So I don't have to worry about the tabs that were inside of his legs to snap off while I'm trying to separate his legs. Now you want to take the cockpit here, straighten it, then take his legs here, bring them back, and they will tab into these pegs here and these holes here. And you're done. And as you can see, it's just a straight up repaint of Highbrow. The only difference is that he has these propellers removed. And you can have Crunk here sit inside the cockpit. So you just open up the cockpit, get Crunk into sitting position, drop him in, and there you go. And you can take these guns here and they can be plugged on either these holes here or these holes here. Also, you can have these combined together, but I'm not going to do it because I don't want to ruin this purple paint on these guns. Also, if I take Crunk out, if these were connect together, you would have him sit on top of here. And these pegs on both of his guns plug onto the bottom of Crunk's feet. And he also has retractable landing gear. So that's about it for jet mode. So to get him into robot mode, first I will have to flip up his landing gear. Untap his arms again. Take the cockpit, bring it all the way back. Then extend his legs down. Rotate them so that they're facing to the front. Push up his legs. Fold out his hands. Then you want to push on this piece, which will pull out extend the Decepticon symbol. Oh, and flip out his heels underneath his feet. Then take Crunk here, fold him up, and then plug him in. There we go. And you're done. And just like his jet mode, he's just another straight up repaint. The only new parts is the head. So for articulation, he has a ball joint at the head, ball joint at the shoulders, move in and out, single jointed elbows, bicep swivel, legs can move forward, back, move in and out on a soft ratchet. Thigh swivel, single jointed knees, and that's it. And you can have him hold his guns in his hands, or you can have them combine together and still have him hold them. So, final thoughts. My only problem with him is the tabs that were supposed to be on the inside of his legs, but I removed them because I'm worried that if I'm trying to separate his legs and extend them down while I'm either going into robot mode or beast mode, they're gonna snap off, so I just leave them off. But everything else looks great. So I think that's about it. So there you have my custom Titans Return Snapdragon. And if you like this video, give me a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.